Good morning, everybody. Once again, we are back. Today, we're going to start a new topic, topic 6 on populations and samples. Today's lesson is going to be fairly simple because it's just identifying what is the term populations and samples. What does that mean? How does it apply in the situation that we're going to be discussing? So, I've got a printout right here that I will also put in Google Classroom for you to look at. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at population. A population is an entire group of people. Okay, it could be a group of people, it could be a group of dogs, it could be a group of cars. But it's an entire group. We're going to be talking about representative samples or just the different samples. We would like to get representative samples. That is our goal. However, not all samples are a representative sample. So we're going to look at different samples and see if they are representative samples or whatever. So we got some vocabulary here. Random. Usually you would like to get a random sample. That is usually a good representative sample. Not always, though. So the key here is to look at this population and understand that you are going to be using proportions on this. Okay, so let's say that this is our sample. And you're only going to use this idea, the math portion of this on like a couple questions. But let's say that we don't know how many people there are in the population. All we know is the sample. And we know that 3 out of every 4 people are red. So let's say there's 100 people total in the population. How many people would we expect to be red? Okay, so you're going to be asked to use proportional relationships to solve some problems based on the samples and the populations that you were given. All right, so just remember, proportional relationships are what you're going to use to solve these. I'm going to put this in Google Classroom so you can keep using it to reference as you're going through the homework. And then once again, there's also some review problems for you to check on just to make sure we're reviewing as we're working on all this stuff and keeping our mind sharp. All right. Hope everybody's staying healthy and safe out there. And I will talk to you later.